What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. On this channel we talk about everything. And when I say everything, I really mean it. My mission is to help you to become your best version possible, to be as confident as possible, and also to look your best in every single situation. And that is also why I needed to create this video. We will talk about proven hacks that you can use to make your package look bigger. So if you want to get the most out of how your package looks, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. My mission is to help you with each and every of those videos to become every single day at least 1% better than yesterday. And that is also why I committed myself to upload daily on this channel, so you have all the sources that you need to become your best version possible. So make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop into the video. Number 1, make sure that you buy the right underwear. Very important, you need to buy underwear that is supporting your package and also holding it all together, because this will also have an instant effect of making it look bigger. So wearing boxers will definitely not do the job, simply because they don't offer any support and also make you look some kind of immature as well. Instead, you need to switch to briefs or even better, boxer briefs. But of course you also need to make sure that they fit properly, because otherwise they will just do the same job as boxers. So hack number 1, in order to make your package look bigger, you need to buy underwear that is actually supporting your package and also holding it all together. And as I said, my personal recommendation would be to buy boxer briefs. Let's continue with number 2, you need to trim your package. I mean, it just makes sense. If there's a lot of hair in this area, it will just make it smaller in comparison, simply as the hair is taking up a lot of space. This is basically the fastest and easiest way on how you can add some length to your boy. But as you might notice, I said trim it instead of shaving it, simply because if you shave it every few days, the risk is very high that you will damage something down below. For example, the chances of cutting yourself are very high and it can lead to infections. So instead, I would recommend to get yourself a trimmer that is only made for your balls. It will definitely pay off and will ensure that you will always look your best. Let's continue with number 3, you need to make sure that your blood flow is on point. The majority of men nowadays are not hitting their full potential with their boy, simply because they have a bad blood flow. And what is influencing your blood flow? Simply exercising and also your diet. So first of all, if you want to improve your blood flow, you need to work out regularly and also cut out all the junk and processed food. And besides that, what you can also do is drinking green tea on a regular basis and also supplementing L-Arginine, because both of them have an incredible effect on your blood flow, especially L-Arginine. You will notice it very quickly. So definitely give it a try. Let's continue with number 4, the position matters. Especially if you want to make your package look bigger in your underwear, you need to make sure that you position it in the right way. So basically you want to create a whole package look by bunching it all together and then simply putting your boy on top of it. This is also a hack a lot of underwear models are using, so it is definitely worth trying out. And last but not least, number 5, you have to lose weight. By removing surrounding fat, your package will instantly look bigger. So basically it is a visual hack to make your package look bigger. And also beside that, as I already told you, being overweight will also harm your blood flow, which basically means you're not reaching your full potential with your package. So make sure that you lose weight, it will help you to look better, feel better, and even make your package bigger as well. And yeah guys, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.